Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by taking precise impressions because accuracy saves time later. Mix alginate to the manufacturer ratio and work quickly. Alginate sets fast, so load the tray immediately. Seat the tray with even pressure and ask the client to bite gently to capture occlusion. Once done, remove the impression carefully and rinse. Inspect for voids and margins. If the impression lacks detail, repeat. Poor impressions lead to ill-fitting casting, so prioritize a clean, full capture before any model work proceeds. Once you have a solid stone model, section the cast as needed and trim to expose margins. This ensures the wax sits correctly. Then create the wax pattern for each tooth. Keep thickness consistent at about 0.5 to 1 mm because that affects fit and comfort. Attach wax sprues to create a clear metal path. Next, invest the wax in a casting flask and let the investment set. Controlled burnout removes wax cleanly, so follow a ramped schedule to avoid cracking the mold. You cast using the chosen alloy and method, centrifugal or vacuum, to fill the mold accurately. Proper temperature and technique reduce porosity. After cooling, divest and carefully remove sprues, then refine fit with burrs and check occlusion against the stone or a silicone jig, because seating is critical for comfort. Finish by progressively polishing to a mirror shine and ultrasonic clean to remove residues. If fit issues persist, reline internally with light acrylic or remake the wax. Minor gaps often mean reflow or refitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.